This is my M103 Mercedes 1991 300E mid muffler. So I was gonna scrap it because I went to Meineke and they chopped it up, as you can see. So I decided, let me go see what's inside of it. So I bought a Dremel. I cut through. This is piece 1, and there's some kind of sound deadening material right here. This white stuff. So then there's this bit of metal. Cut through that one. It's part 3, or piece 3. And then finally, the last part, part 4. So that's where the two come in from the headers into here. Some kind of black fabric material. I don't want to touch it because I don't know what it is. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's what happens. That's the mid muffler. Alright.